Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna make a chatbot on Scratch. So a chatbot is a thing. Now he will ask you a few questions and you will answer him. Like now, what is your name? Then you will tell him your name. And then where you want to go, if you want to go somewhere, where you want to go. He will give you a few options. You can choose one of them. So that's what we're going to create today. And definitely before we start, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Put a like and a comment and definitely share the videos. So let's start by logging on to scratch.mit.edu. Here's the website. I've already gone to my stuff. So you can create a new project from here. Right, so you can see Scratch Cat here. Move that. First of all, we have to get a few backdrops here. First, we'll get a hole. Right. Get another backdrop. Metro. Then we choose another backdrop. Urban. We choose another backdrop. Night. City. Then the last and final backdrop we have to choose is desert. Right. Now we go to the backdrops and you can see this backdrop get deleted. Okay, we're in the whole backdrop. Now we definitely need a sprite to be our chatbot. So we choose a sprite. Which sprite should we choose? Let's see who looks more like a chatbot. Nano. Let's take Nano. Okay. So we've got our sprites ready, backdrops ready, and we have to get our variables ready. That's very important. Now we have to make a new variable name. Okay. Right. Then we make another variable backdrop. Okay. Right. Now let's start coding. Now when green flag is actually, you know what you do with this backdrop? You bring this one here. It looks better. Now when the green flag is clicked, you want to set the variable name to 0. Just put these. Okay. Then we take set backdrop. Take the set backdrop also and do 0 and do the same for this. Okay. Right now what we have to do is we have to go to the looks and switch backdrop to wall. Right. Okay. Then you go to the sensing and ask what's your name and wait. And instead of that, you keep a space over here. Type hi. hi, what's your name? And wait. Okay, then you will type some answer like this. Okay, hi, what's your name? They type Abdul. That's my name. But nothing happens. We have to still give a small code for this. Right, hi, what's your name? Now you can see this blue code thing. It's to add an extension. Now we cannot hear this thing talking, so we go to the add extension and take this text to speech so we can make the projects talk, and this requires Wi-Fi too. Right, see how to we put this set voice to auto above the I. Ask what's your name. We put that as in giant. Okay, then we take this speak hello. Instead of that, we copy this and we paste it here. Okay, and here, listen. 1 minute. Speak, hi, what's your name? What's my name?
Hi, what's your name?
Oh yeah. So what we basically have to do here is we have to take the speak hi, what's your name on the top. So that's it.
Hi, what's your name?
Good. Next then we go to the variables and set the variable name to the answer. Right. Now what we have to do is we are done with asking the name. So now he's going to ask where do you want to go. So let me go to the text to speech and take the speak hello, and instead of that say where do you want to go? Yeah, where do you want to go? Right. Next we go to the sensing and ask what's your name. But instead of what's your name, we'll just copy this where do you want to go and paste it over here. Where do you want to go? Right. Now that's done. So now we'll ask you where to go. Then you will have to type metro, urban, desert, or night city. Right? So we go to the controls, take the if then. We go to the operators and we take the equal operator. If, and we go to the sensing and take answer. If answer is equal to metro, then go to variables, change backdrop by, no, not change backdrop. We take this change backdrop and delete that. We take the set backdrop to metro. Right, and then definitely they want to go to metro, so we have to switch the backdrop. Also put this inside and change that to metro. Now let's just take a small test.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Abdullah.
Where do you want to go?
Oh yes, we can do something else also. So from this, just take it off here, and then after this we can say speed. How are you? Good. Then we go to sensing. Ask, how are you? How are you? Then if you say I am fine, it'll say that's really good. Otherwise it will say, oh, very bad. Then he will ask this backdrop. So then how are you? And we go to controls, take an if then. Oh, so you don't put that speak inside that if then, just put the if then over here. If we can actually
Hi, what's your name?
we can actually take off this if then. Okay. Delete it. But controls instead we can take the if then else. Then we go to the operators, take the equal operators. Then you can write here I'm fine. And then go to the sensing and take the answer and put it over here. If answer is I'm fine, then we have to go to looks and say that's very good. Otherwise, you have to say, oh, that's very bad. Okay. Then you put this over here. Then it'll speak, where do you want to go? And then if the answer is metro, then they'll set the backdrop to metro, and they will set the backdrop variable also to metro.
Hi, what's your name?
So now we can just take this if then off and then just copy it, duplicate it 3 times. Okay, so I've duplicated it 3 times. Okay, so we'll put this over here back. This also true. And now if the answer is urban, then change this to urban, and then switch the backdrop also to urban. Next we take this also, and this time change this one to night city. Change this also to night city. Then change the switch backdrop to night city. The last one, don't put it inside. Change this to desert. It's also to desert. Then we change the backdrop also to desert. Okay, so what we think, we have only 4 options here. You can put more options, right? But we only have 4 options, so we have to change this to tell the 4 options. Where do you want to go? Metro, urban, night, city, or desert. Okay, that's a long one. Now where did this one just delete it? Okay. Now we'll just copy this and in this ask and wait. Look at this. Okay. Now we can take a test and see if everything works. Okay. Okay, let's start it.
Hi, what's your name? How are you?
I'm fine. Remember in the I is capital, and in the fine the F is not capital.
Where do you want to go, Metro?
1 minute. We forgot something. That's very good or that's very bad. We have to add text to speech, so they know.
Hello.
Right. We add this here. We add this source here. Okay. We copy this, that's very good, and paste it here. Then this old, that's very bad. Also we select it. Okay, now I think it might work the chatbot. Let's start it again.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Abdullah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
That's very good. Where do you want to go, Metro? Urban, night city, or desert?
I want to go metro. See? We type metro and we are going to metro. So I hope you like the video, subscribe, and definitely share the videos, put a like and a comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.